as the axis of a pentagonal prism is perpendicular to HP, and one of the base is perpendicular to VP. So initially draw top view, in which we have to show the pentagon of a 30 millimeter sides. By using the mini drafter and compass, draw the pentagon having the included angle between the base sides of 108 degree. Thus complete this pentagon. Observe this pentagon from 5 sides so that it should appear equal and same, because it assures that your pentagon is correct. Then draw front view having the axis height of 50 millimeter. Initially draw the front view by means of a very faint line, because in which we have to locate the section plane, and then finalize the which portion which we have to observe. As the true shape appears as a rhombus, rhombus have two parallel sides, and the distance between these two parallel sides is called as altitude. So the maximum base side and altitude, this data is given in the problem. The true shape appears as a rhombus of a maximum parallel length and altitude of 40 millimeter. So for this we require the 4 points. Among these, C and D will be the 2 points, and by picking this point we have to cut the vertical face bounded by AB. After the section plane, this prism is cut in 2 parts. We have to remove upper portion and observe the left portion or remaining portion. So label the base corners in front view. Observe where the section plane cuts the prism. It cuts the edge, vertical edge A and B. Label it as a point A and point B. Point C and E are already available. Now draw the sectional top view. Draw the hatching line by means of a mini drafter by setting an angle of 45 degree. Draw the hatching lines equispace having a distance of 2 to 3 millimeter approximately and parallel to each other. Draw it neat and accurately. Then to draw the true section, draw a parallel line to section plane. As the rhombus which we have drawn in top view is symmetrical about a line passing through D. Now transfer these points to draw the true shape. Measure the distance of C and D and transfer it its corresponding projection line. So mark this point A, B, C and E. So these 4 points join by means of a straight line. The true shape is formed. Show the dimensions of a true shape condition. This is altitude of 40 millimeter. Draw the hatching line. Label this as a true shape. Then finalize the front view by drawing the dark lines, and thus completed.